In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this wireframe art. This is how the scene looks like. I have 4 grid objects and a ground plane. Let's create a grid. We need to randomize the faces, but please go to randomize in edit mode, not object mode. We need to modify the shape like this, and add a wireframe modifier. The idea is to duplicate this mesh, rotate or scale to make all the meshes look unique. It's good to apply different materials for them as well. One more trick that we could use is adjusting the camera's focal length and zoom in, or out of the camera view. Let's change the clip start value to see the entire mesh. Please experiment with the settings to get the best looking result. We could either create a plane, or a UV sphere as the background. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.